the bell!
Jonah, you take that hammer and you let them hear them in Murphy. They're going to hear us in the entire state of North Carolina. You Jonah!
Amen. Just go there and break a hole through that.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the class of 2022. High school. Today I stand before you on this bell to read this 22 times in honor of us. But before I do, I want everyone to take a moment to observe your surroundings. Look to your left. Look to your right. Look behind you and all around. The people you see around you are your peers. These fellow students of yours have been with you for over a decade. They have grown with you, laughed with you. Some might have even cried with you. Heck, some might have even made you cry. The people who surround you make up this wonderful class of ours. I want you to take time to appreciate them because they have been with you for almost every part of this journey. The people who surround me and you are the class of 2022. And by God, we bring the best and then some. Thank you! Ring the damn bell!
Now, crazy one.
Everybody scream drop out.
Jonah, hold me.
Okay, let's go.
Literally. All right, Alex, come here. Man?